And so we did the math, ECs, and it looks like we all clear about $4.5
Ooh,
million
wouldn't that be
after
nice?
taxes.
That would be so nice.
What if we just buy the station and it's owned by its employees?
That would be great.
Wouldn't that be cool?
Yeah. Meantime, we haven't talked about it in a while, but the tropics are very active
You know,
right now.
we're getting, Lisa is
Yeah.
gaining some strength in the Caribbean, and the newest forecast takes this system into the Bay of Campeche. So this could be something interesting to watch. We'll take a look. First, let's get outside. On this Tuesday night, the colorful runways of San Antonio International, and a plane just landed. So welcome to San Antonio, or welcome home, whichever the case might be. Temperature is 65. Skies have been cloudy just about since 4 or 5 p.m. We really saw the clouds usher in. East-southeast wind, the reason. Dew point at 60. So that means only 5 degrees away from saturation. So humidity's at 84%. If we get this 65 to cool to 60, we will definitely have saturation, and we will see some fog develop. The numbers today, 73 the high, so 4 away from the average, and well away from an 1894 record. Look at how old that is, from 1894. 88 stays in place another year. All right, so there is some fog already developing, and I wanted to show you this because it looks like we could see some tomorrow morning. East of Gonzales right now, but now the future visibility is going to drop, especially Highway 90 at Hondo. This is early, though, 5 a.m. tomorrow morning. Looks like the I-35 corridor, too. If you're getting an early start to Austin, watch out for some fog there, out I-10 to Kerrville. And it looks like it could get thicker around 8 or 9 a.m. before lifting by, say, 10:30 or 11 at the latest. So just a heads up on a little fog tomorrow morning. Haven't seen that in a while. So some showers in the Gulf, but today's rain totals weren't very much. You know, from early this morning, we had some heavy rain down to the south and east, but only about 1/4 of an inch in San Antonio. We locked down October with only 1 inch in the gauge. And look, we should get about 7 inches in September and October, and instead we get about 2. So here for the year, 9 1/4, we're 19 inches below average. 19 inches, that's incredible. But here comes the next rainmaker. We're getting the good humidity in place, and now this upper level low really digs in through New Mexico, El Paso, Friday morning. A lot of energy when you start seeing these isobars stacking up. Upper level winds are going to be very strong. And as this moves east, it's going to really center on North Texas. In fact, they're rescheduling a lot of North Texas high school football games because of what's heading in. Now, we're going to be on the southern reach of this, so we should see some pretty strong storms develop. We'll know a lot more tomorrow. We get our first look at the high-resolution models as well as the Severe Prediction Center's outlook. But we're looking at widespread rain. Slight chances tomorrow and Thursday because of the additional moisture, 20%. But by Friday, we really start filling in. And then Friday night, the Pacific front comes in, and that's when we could develop some of those stronger storms. To the tropics, and Tropical Storm Lisa nearing hurricane status with winds of 70 miles per hour. She's moving west at 15, expected to make landfall near Belize and then continue west. As a Cat 1 hurricane, she'll diminish to a tropical storm. And then look, by Friday and into the weekend, we're going to have to watch very closely as she reemerges over the Bay of Campeche. All right, 7-day forecast. We've got a 20% chance of isolated showers Wednesday, Thursday. Highs around mid-80s by Thursday. We top off, and then 83 Friday with more cloud cover and a little better chance of rain, 30 to 40%. But it looks like Friday night, so we're going to have to watch that closely to see if that front could develop some stronger storms. The weekend looks fantastic, and don't forget, we fall back this weekend, ECs.
It's a good looking forecast, but you're right. We are going to have to watch things
Friday
on
night.
Friday.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks so much, Bill.